let's do a perfume unboxing together. Not only did I get a new perfume, it also came with a free gift. Ariana Grande coasters. There's a cloud one here, a thank you next one. I don't know if she has one for like each fragrance or if it's a 4-pack, but I have been wanting this for so long. And this was literally the last gift set at JCPenney. So I took it as a sign. I was like, you know what? Let me just buy the perfume. It has been a minute since I've done a fragrance unboxing. ARI by Ariana Grande is one of my favorite perfumes. This was her debut fragrance. Oh my God, like how beautiful of a sight. The packaging on this one is so gorgeous. It gives just such old school 60s vibes. It is literally one of the best fragrances ever. It is so soft and sweet and just like youthful in my opinion. So obsessed with this fragrance. She really knew what she was doing with this one. Now let's get into this free gift. I am so excited for this. I love that they're little vinyls too, like how cute. They're the like cork material on the bottom, which is nice. Oh my gosh, it literally has one for each Ariana Grande perfume. They have the OG Ari by Ariana Grande, Sweet Like Candy. The only one I don't see in here actually, now that I'm thinking about it, is Moonlight. Cloud, of course. If you're new here, hello. Cloud is literally my life. Thank you next. Rem, of course. This one is adorable. I am obsessed with this coaster. And then they have God is a Woman as well. I hope in the future they come out with more so I can collect like the whole set. I can put my coffee on it right now on my desk. So cute. That is my perfume unboxing and free gift unboxing. Let me know what you think.